my data plan on my mobile phone is quite small. I've only got 1 gig per month, so a couple of reasons I do this. One of them is obviously to save a bit of money. The other one is because I think it's a good idea to not have your phone connected to the internet all the time, so you're going to be a little bit more sociable if you don't have internet handy all the time. Now, because I've got a small plan, and I only got 1 gig per month, it's quite easy to go over that, especially if you watch a YouTube video, you go over it pretty much instantly almost. But I found that now with the app that comes from the phone company, actually a lot of them, they don't update it all the time. So you can be reading an email, thinking you got plenty of download left, and then next thing you know, you get a message from your phone company telling you they've automatically given you more data, but it's cost you extra money. Now to combat this, what I've done, I've found there's a feature on Android phones that makes it quite easy to limit the amount of data that you're getting through, and you can turn it off yourself. So to do that, if you go to get into settings. Now I've got in my quick settings, which you're looking for data usage, but if it's not in your quick settings, it will be in network connection, so you can see it there. Now if you click it there, now there's two things you can do here. You can have warnings for how much data you use, so I've used 0 data at the moment, or 2.1 megabytes. So if I go and put that to 5 megabytes, that'll come up with a warning as soon as I use 5 megabytes. Now the other thing you can do to actually stop it from downloading anymore is set mobile data limit. You get a big warning saying that your mobile data connection is going to be disabled when a limit's reached, which is obviously what you're doing it for in the first place. So just hit OK. Now, because I've got 1 gig, I'll bring that right down, and I'll usually put about 300 megs, so that by the 10th day or 1/3 of a month, then I shouldn't have used any more than that, and just kind of rushing it out to myself like that. So what we'll do is I'll bring it right down just so you can see what happens when I go over. So if I was to, we got 5 megabytes warning, 20 megabytes limit. So if I was to turn the Wi-Fi off, because at the moment I've got Wi-Fi on, so I will just turn that off. So a warning will come up at 5 megabytes, and it will stop downloading anything at 20 megabytes. Alright, so there you can see I've used up enough data. I've used up at least 5 megabytes. And actually I've used up 20 megabytes. So you can see it goes quite quick. Now you've got the choice to either turn on mobile data, which means it just turns it back on, and if you forget about it, then you can easily go over your limit again, or you can click OK, and now there's going to be no internet, so anything you click, you're just going to get offline.